Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back with another recording. So today I feel like I'm just gonna be doing chill stuff. I'm just gonna be like, I don't know, making music for stuff, I guess. Let's see, actually. Why is my computer so laggy? Hello? Computer's acting like it just got exploded. 55 memory and I'm not even doing anything. That's insane. This is why I never use CurseForge. I hate CurseForge. Never using it again. So one thing I want to do is because I know my parents complain a lot about the security system we have for our house, and it kind of does suck, to be honest. Like, it doesn't even record much, and we can't even access it when there's like motion detected and stuff. So I'm planning, what if I make my own like security system? So that would be cool, but that would be kind of a little expensive because I'm gonna have to buy like, let's see, I'm gonna buy like 100 terabytes drives and then 2 desktop computers to connect them to all the cameras. And then I'm gonna have to keep all the data stored. 100, so technically 200 terabytes because I need 100 for each computer. That's gonna be crazy expensive, dude. No. There used to be this one that I used to use, but I don't remember the name, to be honest. What is a good website I can use for making music? They're chiptune. There we go. It was. Let's just search chiptune because I know there used to be this little simple website that you could use, and then it's like where you place the stuff. Chiptune. Chiptune software. Beatbox. Yes, bro. I used to love beatbox. Yeah, this sucks, dude. Oh my god, why is it just one fat one? Bum, 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 bum. I'm trying to whistle. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. What about doo-doo? Like I'm trying to make like a startup sound actually. I was never much of a romantic. I can never take the intimacy. Cause I knew I did damage. But the look in your eyes was killing me. Okay. How about ding, 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 do 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 do. Wait, what about ding, 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 ding. I was never Steal. This is what I'm looking for. Hold up. I need ideas for like creepy start up sounds. Example for software. This is XP Vista Startup. Vida. Hello? Did my computer just get like hacked? Because I'm using Beatbox? I thought this was an Xbox startup. Am I tripping? I never knew that. Yo. I was never much of a romantic. I can never take the intimacy. Dun-dun-dun. Maybe electric piano? Where was it? I just saw it. Keyboard. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, what am I doing? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, what am I doing? What if I move it up here? This is fine. This is my perfect. Hold up, there used to be this one website where to get free samples, or like a website for free noise samples. Did I put Pampers? Nappies. What the? I spelled it that bad. I do not know what nappies is for free noise samples. There we go. Free sound. I used to use free sound. I like free sound. How about like a boot up noise? Oh. Oh my god, everything exploded. Boot up sound. Nope. There's like. Oh my god. Yo. Jesus Christ. Oh, this is good. I like this. This is actually good. I'm gonna download this for sounds I may use in the future. Is this like the shutter? No, move. Thank you. Oh my god, it just got saved. Oh my god, it's not working. Why are you so big? Please be tiny. Oh, very serious work, unfinished coding projects. And then let's add new folder. Let's put in sounds. Okay, well, I want to download it. Okay, I can't download Robot Beep. Beep. I have to log in, dude. Okay. Brother Noah. Brother Noah, Brother Noah. Okay, problems logging in. What? Hurry up and send me the email. I smell something. Am I tripping, dude? Or did it not send me an email? Gmail. There we go. Free sound. Hello there, Sigma1323. That's seriously my username. Oh my god, I'm so corny for that. What the heck? Yeah, what the heck? Jesus. Stupid Google. There we go. Okay. Some days. Did I download it? I did. I just want to let you know you're going to sounds. You're going straight to sounds. Some days. Oh my god. Oh my god. And this is like a seizure warning. If you have some sort of if you have some sort of syndrome, I don't know, a disorder that makes you have seizures to loud noises or quick flashes, I would not recommend watching this video and just leave. Oh my god. Yeah, this is very much like a boot up. I'm actually pretty proud of these people. Grandma. OS bootup. Oh my gosh, I'm about to die. They're trying to kill me. Alright, I'm just gonna go back to where I was. Oh. Alright, yeah, I think this could be good. Maybe edit the audio. Some sort of audio editor. Okay, chill. Oh yeah, yeah. I want a camcorder so bad. That just make a masterpiece. That would be so funny. Oh my god. I do not like that at all. Or maybe mix this with some sort of like some sound, and then boom. Oh my god, he wasn't lying. 10 years ago. Actually, wait a second. Yeah, that. Yeah, he wasn't lying. could also mix this with an old startup. Okay, where's the one I was looking at earlier? There's one of like the building HP or grandma. What? Man, who's Beer Lacrimus? Okay, maybe I can see what I could work with here. Oh, I put all day. What if I... Come on, Audacity, hurry up. I don't care about some AI, dude. I wonder if I could drag it in here. Oh, look, it works. So I'm gonna start off. Alright. So it's gonna cut off. Oh my gosh. It's gonna cut off exactly right here. So you're gonna just like... Then let's see what this is. What is this? Oh, it's this one. Shush. No, I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to move this. How do I... Oh my god. There we go, dude. Maybe... How do I... Ah! I hate Audacity sometimes. That's not what I'm trying to do. I gotta slow down the speed to 50. What the... Oh, heck no! Was one. Don't know what one does, so I'm gonna put that back to 0. Delete. You just got deleted. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, so this is a bomb activation. So what I said is I wanted to do the second one. So I want to fade it. I don't know exactly how I could do that though. So like, can I? Audacity. Audacity. Effect fade out. You have to be kidding me. Was that not worth it? Okay, effects. Oh, add effect. Audacity. I'm so confused.
Do you want to know how to fade out using Audacity? Then what we have left. So now if we listen to the end of it, it's going to end rather abruptly. Like that. So
Yeah,
instead of doing that, let's apply a nice fade out to it. All we have to do is select where we want the fade out to start. So let's say we want to use a fade out roughly 3 seconds long. Select from where we want the fade out to start up till the end, and we very simply go up to the effect menu and click fade out. And you can see the waveform, it fades out. If we play the end of that now...
You're lying. I'm so stupid. Maybe I should look more before I just go straight to assuming. You make an ASS out of you and Ming. Good stuff, good stuff. Maybe a slight fade in from right. No, not right there. Right here. That's good. Can I make it slightly faster? Speed, maybe. Right there is gonna be 240. Oh, okay, I understand what I did. So I accidentally sped up the whole thing. Still gonna be like that, but then I'm gonna cut it. Cut. So this one. Wait, what? Oh, that's why. Okay, great. Oh. Alright, I think that's good. So file. Export. Oh. No, this can be called. This is what I call. This can be called. Hmm? I like it. I feel like it's cool. Well, that's basically all I was gonna do today. Um, I would like to say thank you guys for watching. If you guys watched the full way, it would help out a lot if you guys subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And see y'all in the next video.